Let's continue our discussion about how we can train our students read well in second language. Okay. Well, when we are engaging our students or designing a program for teaching reading skill, what we need to ensure is that that particular program should emphasize on, training students to think in English. That's the most important thing. Well, we can't rule out this the influence of first language, but we can help design that particular program in such a way which engineer our students to think critically in English. Okay, so how we can do this one? We can train. We can base our instruction on such principles which focus on training students how to think in second language or how to think about texts. Of course, it's complex thing and it's easy to say but difficult to do in practice because there are many psychosocial variables which are involved when we are doing, training our students in reading. So it's very much influenced by their conscious awareness of what students are doing. Okay. So once students are conscious, this is very important in SLA, second language acquisition, to develop the strategy of noticing things when students are reading a text. Okay. So once students are conscious of their process, I mean they have developed some strategies to read for comprehension purposes. They can become better readers in second language, and we can develop some habits of how to interact the text in different ways and how to develop the main understanding of the text. And this is very essential because when the focus of our students is on developing the main idea of the text or inferring the main idea of the text, what happens is they read faster and they read with fluency. And that's what, as I have already said, that's what develops the thought pattern. When students are, on the other hand, stuck by each single word, it might affect the thought pattern. So building up the thought pattern, I mean, building up the knowledge about the text is key when we are teaching reading. So there are various factors which influence teaching reading in another language. So we can ensure when we are designing a program to talk about their reading and explain how a student makes sense of a text. And we can help our students, break their habit of reading every word and looking into the dictionary. Rather, we can train them to develop overall understanding of a text. And we can also help them develop a habit of how to vary their pace when they are reading. I mean, these are the skills, sub-skills of skimming, scanning, or which we need to develop among our students when we are designing a program, and we can help students read well in second language.